Hey friends, TinyMCE has a brand new feature called TinyMCE AI. It gives your users a powerful AI toolset for content creation and manipulation in an easily configurable modular plugin that works natively inside TinyMCE and connects to all the most popular models from Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google. It saves your development team time, keeps them focused on innovating your product, and it keeps your users happy, focused on building value instead of copying content from an AI platform into an app, endlessly formatting, when you can just work inside the editor, create the content there, the AI helps you format it, and everyone keeps moving along even faster. Let's take a look. Okay, let's start off by looking at the AI chat feature. It's in the right-hand sidebar here. It looks a lot like other chats you've had when you're working natively in an AI platform. The difference, one of the differences, we have a lot, starting with all of the prompt engineering that went into this particular feature based on massive amounts of experience with the TinyMCE dev team on rich text editing, creating content. This is one of the smartest AIs you're going to find when it comes to writing and editing. So it has complete document awareness. It understands not only what is in this document, but how it's formatted. And it can help you change all of that. So you're not wasting all that time going back and forth between an AI platform and your editor where you are producing your final product. So this chat has a number of different features. One, we mentioned that it works with a bunch of different models. Now, by default, there's an auto select. It's going to pick the best one for the prompt that you give it. As a developer, you can limit that. You can make sure your users are only using one or maybe a couple of different models that best fit your use case. We can also bring in web searches. We can tell it to do advanced reasoning. We can bring in other documents that we want to maybe integrate into this content. Now, as I said, it has complete document awareness. We're going to ask it to create an executive summary here for each of the chapters and then place that just below the chapter headers. Now, as we see this, it's going to blend pretty seamlessly. Look at this. So it's body copy, executive summary is bolded. We have these sentences here, these little summaries, these paragraphs. And if we agree with them, we can accept them individually. We can apply all of them. I'm just going to go through here and accept that one, and then I'll just accept the last two. And now we can see we have that content directly in the document. Last thing I want to point out is that we have complete chat history. Anyone who interacts with this document, talks to the AI chat, that history is saved, so we can come in here and pick up the work that we were doing, maybe at a previous time in the week, and just keep going from there. We were like, oh, there was this one thing I did that I would like to put into this version of the document. All of that's available in the chat history. Next, we're going to look at quick actions. They're kind of self-explanatory in the name. These are predefined actions that you can pass to the AI based on some presets that we give you, or that you can come in here and custom build anything you need. There are things like, so we select this text, we have things like the standards, improve writing, continue writing, change the length. We have certain chat commands. So if we want to take a block of text, give it a command, and then throw it over into the chat, we can do this, like highlight the key points. It's going to open up the chat window and do that. Now, while that's working, we can come in here. We can do translations. Again, these are configurable on your own. For those sci-fi and fantasy folks watching the video right now, you want to write a document in Klingon, we got you covered. Now, let's pop over here. We can see that we got a nice little bullet point summary based on that quick action that we saw. That's pretty much it. We're going to have deep dives into each one of these features over the next couple of weeks. So keep watching this channel. We'll come back and I'll show you all the ins and outs of quick actions later. And last, but certainly not least, is AI review mode. This is a highly structured, well-formatted series of prompts that conduct very specific actions on the entire document. So we can see here we have things like proofread, improve clarity, change length, adjust tone and style. So these tones are sort of what we give you out of the box. It's what a lot of AI gives you. But you could come in here and create a tone or a style specific to your brand. So with one click, someone can write a very long document, have the AI scrub that for compliance with your brand guidelines. Now, obviously, we always want to have a human take a look at that and make sure the AI didn't miss anything. But you take that human who used to have to do a full edit pass and do the work of editing, and now they're kind of proofreading and validating. And then anywhere they see maybe there's a little place that needs improvement, they just go in, they spend a couple of seconds, document is done, everyone moves on with their day. At a high level, that's AI review mode. Very simple in concept. There's a lot going on behind the scenes in execution, and that's TinyMCE AI. Come back to this channel. We're going to have deep dives into each one of the features coming in the next few weeks. And then go check out the TinyMCE AI for Developers video, how to get started, from a good friend, Fred, in our DevRel department. We'll see you soon.